Needless to say, I got. All right, here we go. Out at Long Beach Peninsula, going after some razor clams. So, got the boys, and the wife's already ahead of us. She's really excited. So, wish us luck. All right, I got a good clam here. I'm gonna dig it. This is what it looks like. Yeah, dimple right there. There we go. Hopefully it don't break it. Still down there. Okay, so we finished getting some razor clams, and now we're going to get some steamers. We're going to get some Manila clams. Yeah, I think steamers is a good word for them as well. So, here we go. Uh-oh. There's wild animals back there. There's wild animals over there. This is kind of a local spot here. Got a nice ladder to get down. That's nice.
New one.
That is a new one.
There's new boards and all.
Yeah. So time's coming for all of y'all. Here's the aftermath of yesterday's clamming trip. Got all of our manila clams, and then all of our razors. A little work ahead of me.
Oh, but don't forget this beautiful bread.
Oh yeah, and then this homemade sourdough. Nice.
Straight out of the oven.
Just came out of the oven. Let's look at that one too. Yes, very nice. Those look amazing. Wonderful. All right, so we have cleaned all the razor clams. We ended up with 7 pounds. And we get a bag of kind of guts, and let's just call it crab bait. I like to use it also for surf perch. So those are all of our steamer clams, and we steamed them for about 3.5 minutes. They opened up, and they're about to go in here with some linguine.
It's actually really fun. I enjoy doing them.
All right, so this is the finale of the steamer clams. So these are the manila clams and some linguine. I got to give props to Badass Outdoors for the recipe, but we've got some clams and some fresh sourdough bread, and yeah, I'm stoked. All right.
Once we were done, we handed it off, and they're like,
Hope you liked the video. P&W Fish Hooker. I'm out.